Hello, my beautiful French Caribbean music lovers. Welcome back once again to Rey Starz Reactions. Today we have a new request for a reaction. It is an artist by the name of Fatima Altieri. Fatima Altieri. The title of the song is Hello. New artist. I don't know anything about this new artist. So let's take a listen to Fatima Altieri. Title is Hello. And please, as always, please do not forget to like and subscribe.
Baby, I don't wanna waste my time. Kem pa gen plas pou moun ki pa prete. Anesthésie pour tout sentiment qui chita nan jeme présence li pa nan kè. Bouquet soufri, bouquet nan kouri, bouquet bay tout mwen san pa jwen. Bouquet rekomanse pou manipile, bouquet kriye yon fwa ankor. Mwen do pou senti moi flou, le passé c'est la dernière fois. Raï l'amour, c'est d'oublier me faire où ça. Pour moi arriver, jouer mon banane. Hello, hello, côté où est dans les boutiques, t'as cherché où. Pas ma chandelle, si wap bin jwe ak sentiment loyauté maintenant. Hello, hello, moi blanc comprendre. I'll put me first this time around.
Wow, Fatima Altieri. I like it. So we got a nice lyric. Don't come around and try to pick me up. Don't play with my heart. Okay, don't buy it if you're gonna abuse it. Oh, I like that. That's very nice. You know, at the beginning of the song, she has like a really soulful voice. I love the way it started with this really, really soulful voice. I like it. Love her voice. It's really great. And also the chorus, the hello, hello. Okay, I'm not a singer, but yeah, it's great. And that reminds me of like a soundtrack of a movie. I don't know why. Just now listening to it, Avatar comes to mind. You know, when you have that beautiful scenery, the helicopter shot, the overhead shot that's just going over like a savanna, like a beautiful or beautiful green forest. It's really, really beautiful. That's what comes to mind. It's almost like a television commercial for like a beautiful place. I come and visit this beautiful country. It's very, very nice. I love that chorus. And Fatima Altieri, I love her voice, and I really like, also she can change. Start with that little soulful, and then a little airy at the middle. It's very nice. I like it. So Fatima Altieri, I'm digging that one as well. Okay, let's get into it again. Fatima Altieri, hello, hello.
Can't let nobody kill my life. Senti moi flou, le passé c'est la dernière fois. Raï l'amour, c'est d'oublier me faire où ça. Pour moi arriver, jouer le monde banane. Hello, hello, côté où est dans les boutiques, qu'à me chercher où.
beautiful voice. And I would love to respond to Fatima Altieri. My heart also is looking for some for love as well. You know what I mean? And it's beating, it making that call. And that's what the lyric is about, saying that, can you hear the beat of my heart? It's calling you. Where are you? I'm looking for that better half. Beautiful lyrics. I love beautiful lyrics. It's really well done. And I love the way she started with that beautiful, soulful voice. And then it carries on. And then you have the beautiful chorus. Hello, where are you? Okay, looking for that better half. Beautiful song. As always, guys, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And number one is support and follow the artist, which is today Fatima Altieri. Fatima Altieri, thank you for such a beautiful track and such a beautiful voice. I love it. And this is Rey Starz saying, peace out. See you on the next one.